Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get started or how to start using Ubercart for beginners in 2024. Of course, Ubercart is an e-commerce solution for Drupal, allowing you to sell products and services online with your powerful content management features of Drupal. So today we'll walk you through the basics to help you set up your online store. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me, here I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you do so, once you open your browser, go to the URL section. Basically, just type Uber cards and hit the enter button. Once you do so, go and click on this first link. As you can see, it's with Drupal organization. So just go and click on this link, first link. Make sure it's not a sponsor or something like that. And as you can see here, you'll have access to it. So you can download this example. Of course, the Ubercart. As you can see, so Ubercart is the most popular Drupal e-commerce platform for your website. It implements everything you need to start selling products online. Web developers from all scales range can use it to support a variety of e-commerce industries, including physical goods, digital downloads, or even subscription-based billing services. Ubercart can do it all. So for more details, be sure to visit what's Ubercart in here page for more info. So here you'll be able to see what's Ubercart first of all if you don't know nothing about it. As you can see, Drupal 7 will no longer be supported after January 5, 2025. So learn more about find resources for Drupal 7 sites. And this documentation needs work. See help improve this page in the sidebar if you want that. So other than that, the current features that is in there in Ubercarts, as an example, is configurable products catalog, includes like catalog pages and block to display the product categories, flexible products creation system with products classes, multiple products images supports out of the box, flexible products attribute system, based product stock level, tracking and notification, product features to add, of course, file downloads, role promotions, and more products also. So, single page checkout, automatic account generation, anonymous checkout also, customer and administrator checkouts notification, simple order processing with workflow for automated order processing, simple order creation editing, integrated payment system that acts as a bridge between accessible payment methods like check, credit card, purchase order, and etc. And payments gateway like CyberSource, Authorize.net, PayPal, and etc., which is the most known. Maybe you'll find Stripe and other things. You'll find even shipping codes and fulfillments, including integrations with UPS, FedEx, or USPS, or UPS, not UPS actually. Sales, products, and customer reports, activity login, and even much more and more to come. As you can see, Ubercart is PayPal certified and integrates PayPal website payments center, website payments pro, and expert checkouts. For more information, you can read, of course, the Ubercart or Ubercart maybe PayPal like information page. You can click on it. Of course, you'll be able to read it out. And you are responsible to ensure your merchants and customers are protected from online payments fraud. For more information, of course, we recommend you to read Drupal PCI compliance white paper maintained by third-party e-commerce security expert. So you don't have to worry about fraud payments or something like that. And supports issues and tracking. As you can see, a lot of things here to read about it if you care. And as you can see, okay, this like link is not working, which is the one that's Ubercarts with PayPal information. It's not working as it seems, but it's fine. So as you can see, this is the view, and here you'll be able to have or to view the version control, and here, of course, the automated system to test things out. So you can see here, you'll be able to see how to test things out, and here the version control. So branch to work from that example. So one time only example, what you should do like one time only, which is git clone this exactly to set up the repository for the first time. As example, to add this Ubercart to your Drupal. Of course, like before everything, make sure you have a Drupal. Like you can simply just go and type like Drupal.org as example, And make sure, of course, that you have an account and you have it like downloaded on a your web host, as example, or web host that they provide, or whatever you want, as example. So you can just go here to download and click on download this, and make sure to download this. As an example, they will tell you how to download this. If you need like PHP and Composer, run these two commands. If you don't want if you don't want the composer, of course, you would like to run the second command, which is PHP, and then of course you would like to download this Drupal zip. Just click on download zip, and once it's downloaded, of course, you'll need to extract the files, upload them into your web hosting or your web server. Great option is MAMP, as an example. You can go and look for that. So map.info, as an example, will take you to their home screen, their main screen. Make sure to click on free download, and you'll be able to download for Windows, Mac, and you'll be good to go. Download it, and you'll be able to upload those servers in there. Then go to the web like browser, open the URL that you have, and you'll be good to go. You'll be able, of course, to integrate that Ubercart with it. So, of course, once you enter the URL, you'll have to follow basically the installation like instructions wizard. You'll find it right there. Just follow those instructions, and you will have Drupal downloaded. Then you can simply add Ubercart to it by simply running this code. If you want to set up the repository for the first time, just simply it's going to be git clone like git.drupal code.urg/product/ubercart.git. Then you, of course, you'll have to enter it by cd ubercart. Of course, for Windows user, you'll be able to do that in PowerShell, as an example, because for Linux, like they normally use it like through their CMD very naturally. But of course, for Windows user, they might get a little bit confused. So of course, those like commands here, those commands will work in PowerShell, so you don't have to worry about anything. Just go on cd the URL so you can enter it and etc. And of course, what you'll have to do routinely is simply check in your repository status by simply get status. And of course, you'll be what you should do routinely also switch into a different branch by simply click on get branch -a and get checkout, then the branch name. Patching, of course, getting ready to create and apply patches. You'll be able to do it by git pull origin. And some creates patches, example, by git gif, description, issue number, comment number, dot patch. Applying a patch, example, you'll be able to do it by git apply, -v, then patch name dot patch. And to avoid accidentally include like the patch file in future commits, remove the rm and the patch like name dot patch. When you're done reverting in committed like changes, you can simply just enter or type git checkout the file name, and to revert changes to the whole working tree, you'll basically have to type git reset --hard. As simple as that. It's very simple to include or to start using Ubercarts with your Drupal right away by simply some simple codes that is provided here by this version control. Once you have, of course, Drupal downloaded. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.